Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Revocable Living Trusts. The Revocable Living Trust is a document, and it is a document that is established for the purpose of holding title to assets and controlling distributions of the assets when the trustor or the person setting up the trust passes away. Now, why is it called a Revocable Living Trust? Well, first of all, the trust can be revoked, or it can be amended over time, meaning it can be changed, or it can be revoked altogether. And it's a living trust because it's established during the lifetime of the trustor. For example, a person could set up a revocable living trust and they could transfer their bank account into the trust. The benefit of doing this is that a successor trustee is named in the trust, and the trustor, the person setting up the trust, can determine what happens to the assets in the bank account when they pass away. Now, what are the benefits of doing a revocable living trust? First of all, one of the things that people seem to be most concerned with is avoiding any probate court when they pass away and when they want to transfer their assets to their beneficiaries. So by setting up a revocable living trust and putting assets into the trust, the assets do not go through probate because the trust is the owner of the asset. Another benefit of the trust is that you can control how the assets are distributed during the lifetime of the beneficiaries. So for instance, if a beneficiary is too young to receive an asset, when the trustor passes away, they can only receive it when they reach a certain age. Or if you have a special needs beneficiary, someone who is on government benefits, and if they receive money or other sorts of assets, they would have their benefits interrupted, the trust can control when they receive their assets. Finally, one of the things that we establish trusts for is to minimize or control estate taxes. In Massachusetts, there is an estate tax, and every person in this Commonwealth has a $1 million exemption. By setting up a trust, and with a married couple, you can utilize both Massachusetts estate tax exemptions, so you can protect up to $2 million in assets. So a few things to summarize: a revocable living trust is a document that can be revoked or amended during the lifetime of the trustor. It avoids probate when you put assets into the trust. You can control how beneficiaries receive any assets that are funded into the trust. So that is the basics of a revocable living trust. If you'd like to learn more about that, feel free to contact our office. Our phone number is 508-998-8800. You could also visit our website. It's lantzlawinc.com.